Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I am here with you to solve second semester BCA discrete mathematical structure question paper of August September 22 2023. So yeah, as I discussed in the last two videos, the paper duration will be for 2.5 hours. Maximum marks will be 60 and the subject code is DCCA 203, and there we have to answer all the sessions. So in this video I'll be solving 2 mark and 6 mark questions from question number 1 to question number 15. So yeah, moving with the first question, we have here instruction answer all the questions session A, which will be carrying 2 mark questions and we have to write any 6. So yeah, the first question is, if A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 3, 4, 5 and C is given, C is 0, 2 and 3, we need to find A intersection B cross C. So now we need to find first A intersection B. So here A intersection B will be 1 comma 2 comma 3, intersection of B is 3 comma 4 comma 5. Intersection is nothing but common element of these two brackets. That is, what is common here? It is 3 is common in both. So the answer will be 3. Now we need to find A intersection B cross C. That will be A intersection B is 3 cross C is 0 comma 2 comma 3. So now we need to find the cross product for this, Cartesian product for this. So that will be 3 comma 0, 3 comma 0, then it will be 3 comma 2 and then it is 3 comma 3. So yeah, the next question is, define tautology. What is tautology? It's a compound proposition which is true for all the true values of its components. Then it is called as tautology. Or if all the values in the truth table is true, then it is called as tautology. So the values what we have in the end, that will be that all the values should be true, then it is called as tautology. Then yeah, the next question, question number 3. So state the principle of mathematical induction. Mathematical induction is a technique or method to prove mathematical statement or formula or theorem which is though to be true for each and every natural number n. It consists of two steps, that is basic step and inductive step. Then moving on with the question 4, we have defined scalar matrix. So with an example, what is a scalar matrix? It's a diagonal square matrix. Is said to be a scalar matrix if all the elements in the principal diagonal are same. So here always a scalar matrix to be of a diagonal square matrix. Diagonal matrix is what? Leaving the principal diagonal elements, all other elements will be 0. All other elements will be 0, and the principal diagonal elements, if it is a scalar, it is what? The scalar matrix of all elements in the principal diagonal elements are same, should be same value. That is, if I take 3, 3 and 3, so here the value in the principal diagonal element should be same and other elements should be 0, then it is called as scalar matrix. Then moving with the next question, we have question number 5, where if A is given, A is 4, 1, 1, 2 and B is 1, 4, 2, 1, we need to find A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose. To find A plus B transpose, first you should find A plus B, adding A plus B matrix. That will be 4, 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 4, 2, 1. We need to add the elements now. Certainly, first element with first, it will be 4 plus 1 will be 4. 4 plus 1 will be, sorry, 5. Adding the elements, it's not multiplication, so 4 plus 1 will be 5. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is A plus B. Now we need to write the transpose of this A plus B. Transpose is nothing but converting rows elements in the form of column. So we'll write the row in form of column. 5, 5 and 5, and then second row as second column, 3, 3. So this is A plus B whole dash. That is A plus B transpose. Moving on with the next equation, we have NPR is equals to N into N minus 1 PR minus 1. It's actually NPR is N into N minus 1 PR minus 1. So yeah, we will take LHS and we'll prove it for RHS. So we'll take it for we'll take RHS and prove it for LHS. So here we have N into N minus 1 P R minus 1. So we have a formula where it is NPR is N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. So we'll implement that formula for this part. So we get it is N into N minus 1 factorial divided by N minus 1 minus of R minus 1 factorial. So yeah, if you remove this n into n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus r, if you remove the bracket, minus into minus will become plus 1 factorial. So yeah, what happens? Minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. We get n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N minus 1 into n minus r factorial. So here we can write n into n minus 1 can be written as n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. What is n in n factorial divided by n minus r factorial? That is nothing but npr, which is your LHS. Hence it is proved. Then you have to find seventh question number 7. Find the value of 10C5. We have a formula with the question number 7. Find the value of 10C5. So we have a formula for 10C5, that is NCR. NCR is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial r factorial. So here substituting the value for n is equals to 10 and r is equals to 5, we get n10C5 will be 5 factor, that is 10 factorial, 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 5 factorial, 5 factorial. Certainly 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. We can stop till 5 because we have 5 down. Then 10 minus 5 is 5 factorial, 5 factorial right reverse, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this 5 factorial keep it as it is so that I can cancel this both. Then 5 2s are 10, 10 will get cancelled, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it is 3 into 2 into 7 into 6. So that is 3 2s are 6 into 6 into 7 6 are 42. Certainly 42 into 6. 6 3s, 6 2s are 12. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25. So the value is 252. So here this is the one method of solving. The other method, direct method also we can do. The other method we have is we can write like this. one more method. 10C5 means we should start writing from 10. 5 reverse numbers we should write since it is 5 down. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by, we should divide by 5. 5 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then 5 twos are 10, 10 get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 twos are, 3 ones are 3 threes are. It will be 3 twos are 6, 7 twos are 42. So again it is 42 into 6 is 12, 25, that is 252. Either you can use this method, formula method, or you can do it directly. So then next question number 8. Write the recurrence relation for Fibonacci number. Fibonacci Fibonacci number is nothing but here for Fibonacci f naught is fixed, that f naught value will be 0 and f1 value is 1. So here what is Fibonacci series? We just write the two previous sequence numbers, that is 0 plus 1 is 1. Then you take this here, 1 plus 1 will be 2. Then we'll take 1 plus 2 is 3. Then you take 2 plus 3 is 5. Then you take 3 plus 5 is 8. It goes on. So what Fibonacci series? Nothing but adding the two previous successive sequence elements. So yeah, this can be written in the general form as f naught is equals to 1, f1 is equals to 1, f naught is equals to 0, f1 is equals to 1. Then what will be f2? F2 is nothing but addition of f naught plus f1. Then f3 will be addition of f1 plus f2. Then f4 will be f3 plus f2, f2 plus f3. So here it goes on till we have fn. Fn will be fn minus 2 plus fn minus 1. If n is 4, you can say 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the general formula that can be rearranged as fn is equals to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. So this is the recurrence relation for Fibonacci series. Then the next one, find the complete graph with an example. A complete graph is a type of graph in which each vertex is directly connected to every other vertex in the graph. A complete graph with n nodes will be having n into n minus 1 by 2 vertices. So here we have, for example, if I take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 element 5. So here each and every vertex should be connected to other vertex directly, right? So here we can do it as, so this graph is called as complete graph, where each and every vertex is connected with the other vertex, then it is called as complete graph. Then moving on with the session B, that is 6 mark questions. In that, first question is write the converse, inverse, and contrapositive to the given condition statement. So here let us break the given statement into two. That will be P and Q. What will be P? P will be two angles. Two angles are right angle. Two angles are right angles. Then second one is they are they are congruent. They are congruent. So yeah, we need to find, first one is converse. Converse is nothing but P implies Q. That is reverse of P implies Q. That is Q implies P. Converse of P implies Q will be Q implies P. That will be converse is nothing but Q implies P. That is, if they if they are congruent, if they are congruent, then then two angles are right angles. Two angles are right angles. Then second one is inverse. Inverse is nothing but negation P implies negation Q. Negation means we have to write not for the given statement. So we'll write it as implication means if then. Arrow mark indicates if then. So here if two angles are are not right angle are not right angles, then then they are not congruent. They are not congruent. Then the next one is contrapositive. Contrapositive. Contrapositive is nothing but reverse of inverse. That will be negation Q implies negation P. So whatever inverse you have written, you have to reverse the statement. So here, if they are not congruent, not congruent, then then two angles, two angles are not right angle, right angles. So here converse, inverse and contrapositive we have done. Converse means Q implies P. Inverse means negation P implies negation Q. Contrapositive means negation Q implies negation P. So moving with the next equation, we have prove that P or Q and R is equivalent to P or Q. This is called R and this is called AND. So here P or Q, this is called double implication. Double implication. Double implication. Double implication. So yeah, we will be proving first this right hand side and then left hand side and then right hand side, and then we will prove that both are tautology. So yeah, the given is P, then it is given the bracket. First you should write P Q R, then here it is bracket Q and R, then it is P or Q and R. Then we go for the next one. Right hand side we have two brackets, that is P or Q, then P or R, then I'll call this as 1 and 2. There is and in between 1 and 2, that is 1 and 2. Then I'll call this as 3 and this as 4. So next one is this whole thing, that is, yeah, that is 4. 4 double implication of this whole term. Where is that whole term? This is third one. So it is 4 double implication 3. So first you need to write the column headings. Then we need to solve it. So now we have three different statements. So here it is 2 to the power of 3 will be 8. So we have 8. So we'll be writing t 4 times. 8 we will divide it into 2. 4 times t, 4 times f. Then We'll divide again into half, that is 2 times t, 2 times f, 2 times t, 2 times f. 2 times f. Now then divide it again into half, that will be 1t 1f, 1t 1f, 1t 1f, 1t 1f. Now what is the condition for and? And means when both are true, the answer is true. So we'll check for this. Both are true, the answer is true for Q and R. That will be first and second one. That will be T and T, it is T. Then you have T and T, it is T. Then we don't have anywhere. So the remaining all will become false. Only when T and T it is there, it is 3 T. Then otherwise it is false. Now we need to check in P, that is P, or Q and R, that is in this, that is first and fourth column. We should check the condition for R. What is the condition for R? It is F and F, it is F, otherwise it is T. If it is F and F, it is F, otherwise it is T. So we'll check for this condition now. It is F and F in first and fourth one, F and F. So we have here F and F, so it is F, then again F and F, it is F, again it is F and F, it is F, otherwise it is all true. So we have done with the first part. We'll call this as LHS. Okay, we have done with the LHS part. One first when we have finished LHS, then we'll go for the RHS. Now check for P or Q, that is first and second one. Or means what? F and F, F. So we'll check in this two, F and F. We have F and F for the last two. F and F, it is F, otherwise it is T. Then it is P or R, means we have to check in first one and third one. F and F, again the same condition for R. F and F, you have F and F, F, F and F, F in the last one. The remaining all the values will be true. Now we'll check for 1 and 2, that is this both 1 and 2, and the condition for that, that is T and T, it is T. We have to check in this both, T and T, it is T, 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 T and T, it is T. The remaining all are false. Then now the last one is to check the condition in fourth one and third one, and this fourth and third. We'll be checking for these two columns. And implication, double implication means T, 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 true and true, true, false and false is also true for double implication. So we'll check in this two, T and T, it is T, 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 F and F, it is T, F and F, it is T, F and F, it is T. So here the answer, final answer what you got is all the values of the given preposition is all true. If all the values are true, then it is tautology. Therefore, it is tautology. Why it is tautology? Because all the values what we got is all true. Therefore, it is a tautology for the given prepositions. Moving with the next question, we have question number 11. Prove that, show that the function f from R to R defined by f of x is equals to 3 minus 4x is 1 1 and on 2. So how to prove it 1 1 and on 2? So here we'll prove first 1 1. We'll prove it for 1 1. 1 1. So how to prove 1? Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R. That implies f of x1 will be equal to f of x2. So now write down what is the function we have. That will be 3 minus 4x is equals to 3 minus 4x. Here we have 1, it is 1. Here we have 2, so it will be 2. Now what happens? This 3 and 3 get cancelled. So we get minus 4x1 will be equal to minus 4x2. Then again this minus 4 and minus 4 get cancelled. We get x1 equals x2 means what? It is f is 1 1. F is 1. Then we shall prove for f is onto, for onto. How to prove for onto? We state that x belongs to R, let for all x belongs to R, there exists y belongs to R such that f of x is equals to y. So now what is f of x value? We have f of x is equals to y. 3 minus 4x is equals to y. What is onto? Onto is nothing but changing the variable equation. It is given in the form of y, we have to convert in the form of x, equation in the form of x. That will be minus 4x is equals to y minus 3 plus 3 goes other side become minus. Then minus 4x is equals to y minus 3. Then x is equals to y minus 3 divided by minus 4. If I multiply minus 4 up, it will become 3 minus y divided by 4. So therefore f is onto. So after converting y formula in terms of x, we can prove that, we can write that f is onto. Then moving on with the next question. Here we have question number 11, 2. In how many ways the letter word Mississippi be arranged so that all s's are together? So how to arrange all s's together? All s's together is, we'll arrange it s s s s in one, and the remaining all the, that is m I I m I again I p p and I. So how many elements we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So we'll take it as 8 factorial divided by, how many are repeated here? 1 2 3 4. We have 4 i's, so we can write 4 factorial. Then how many p's we have? 1 and 2, so 2 p's, so we can write it as 2 factorial. That will be equal to 8 means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 4 and 4 get cancelled. That will be 2 ones are 2 fours are. So we get 4 into 7 into 6 into 5. So for 5s it is 20 into 6 sevens is 42. So it will be 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. It will be 840 ways. 840 ways. If you take it for SSS and solve for that, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 elements. So 4 factorial divided by, and all 4 are repeated. That is 4 factorial. That will be nothing but 1. Therefore, here, if you multiply 840 into 1 is nothing but 840 itself. So the answer will be, the word Mississippi can be arranged in 840 ways where all the S's are taken together. Then the question number 12. A committee of 7 has to be formed. We have to form the committee of 7 boys away from 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways this can be done when the committee consists of exactly 3 girls, at least 3 girls, at most 3 girls. So here exactly 3 girls means it will be 3 girls. So total here boys are 9 and girls are 4. So here exactly 3 means it will be 3. We want total 5, 7. So it will be 3 and here it will be 4. 3 plus 4 will be 7. We need a committee of 7 members. So yeah, this will be written as, this will be n and this will be r value. So it will be 9c4 into 4c3. 4c3. So you have to find the value of this 9c4 and 4c3. So it will be 9c4 will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 twos are 8 will get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So it will be 3 into 7 into 6. So it will be 3 sevens are 21 into 6. So it will be 6 7, it will be 12. It will be 126. So the first value we got is 126. So into, find it for 4c1. 4c3. 4c3 is 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Means it will be 4 will be the answer. So it will be into 4. So 126 into 4 will be 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 0, 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer here for the first one will be 5 not 4. So the second one need to write is, they have to be at least 3 girls, means it can be 3, it can be 4 girls. So here it will be, if it is 3 it should be 4, if it is 4 it should be 3. So here it will be same, the first one it will be 4 4c3, that will be 126, that will be 5 not 4, 5 not 4. Then for the second one it is 9c3 into 4c4. So yeah, 9c3 we should find for 9c3, that will be 9c3 is 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So it will be 3 into 4 into 7, that will be 3 fours are 12, 12 into 7, 12 sevens are is 84. So here the first one will be 84. Then we'll find for second one. It is 4c4. 4c4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That will be 1. We have a formula NCN is 1. So we can write it as 1. That will be 84 into 1. 84 into 1. That will be 84 itself. So this answer will be 84. So addition of this two we should do, that is 5 not 4 into plus 84. So we get 4 plus 4 8 8 5. So this answer will be 588. Then at most moving 3 on, girls means it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, but it should not be more than 3. At most means maximum 3 should be 3. At least means minimum should be 3. Okay. So here at most means it should be maximum value, it should be 3 and the minimum value should be 3 here. So yeah, it is 7. So it will be 7, it will be 6, it will be 5, it will be 4. So we have to find for 7c 9c7, 9c7 into 4c0, then 9c6 into 4c1, 9c5 into 4c2, 9c4 into 4c3. So now we will find the values for this and we will substitute the values there in the answer. That will be 9c7 means We can write it as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 values divided by 7 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this will get cancelled. So here 2 ones are 2 fours are. So it will be 9 into 4 is 36. Then we find it for 4C0. 4C0 is 4 into 4 into 0 factorial means this is no element, that will be 1. The value will be 1. That is NC0 is 1. So we'll write it directly as 1. So it will be 36 into 1. 1, if you multiply this to 36 into 1 is 36. So the first value is 36. Then going with the next one, 9C6 will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here till 4 it will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 threes are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So it will be 3 into 4 into 7. 3 fours are 12. 12 into 7 is 84. Then it is 4C1. 4C1 was how much? It is 4 itself. NC1 is N. That is we have formula NC1 is N. So that will be 4 is equals to 4. If you multiply this word 84 into 4, it will be 4 into 4 is 16. 4 8 is 32 plus 1 is 33. 4 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. So it will be 336. Then next one is 9C7 5. 9C5. What will be 9C5? It is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 twos are 6, 6 cancel, 5 ones are 5 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2s are certainly 9 into 2 into 7, 9 twos are 18 into 7, 7 eights are 56, 7 ones are 7, it will be 12. So it will be 126. And the other one is 4C2. We have already find for 4C2? No. Certainly 4C2 will be 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are, it will be 2 threes are 6. So 126 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 6 ones are 6, 7. So it will be 756. Then the last one, 9C4 we have already found. If for this answer is 5 not 4. So we need to add all these answers. If you add all the answers we get, that is 756 plus 504 plus 336 plus 36. So it will be 10, 16, 20, 22. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 3, 1. So it will be 10, 15, 16. So it will be 1632. So exactly 3 girls means we can find 540 504 ways. If it is at least 3 girls we have 588 ways, and if it is at most 3 girls means we can find 1632 committees of committees. Hence it is solved. So the next question is, find the coefficient of x square y power 4 in the expansion of x plus y to the power of 6. This is same as we have the general formula for binomial theorem, that was I have already done in the last paper. We will just review again. It is tr plus 1. Tr plus 1 will be equal to ncr a n minus r b r. So now they have given the value which will be equal to x plus y to the power of 6 is equal to a plus b to the power of n. So here a will be x, b will be y, and n will be 6. Substituting in the equation 1, we get t r plus 1 equals n c. N is how much? 6. 6 c r. A is x, n is 6 minus r, y is b is y power r. So it will be, now by comparing the coefficients, that is uh, x square y power 4. If you compare this y with the given coefficient, we get yr is equals to y power 4, means r value is 2. R value is 4. So substitute the value of r as 4. It will be 4x 6 minus 4 y4. That will be 6c4 will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, 4 elements divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 and 3 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are, sorry, 2 threes are 6 it is. 2 threes are 6, so 3 fives are 15. It will be 3 fives are 15. So here it is 15 x to y power 4. So what is the coefficient of x to y power 4? That is 15. So we can write 15 is the coefficient. 15 is the coefficient of x square y power 4 in the expansion of x plus y to the power of 6. So then next one is uh, explain a regular graph with an example. Regular graph is nothing but a graph is regular if every vertex has the same number of neighbors or the same degree. So what is it example of this is, you can take any of this. So if I am taking a rectangle, if I have 4 points, so here A, B, C, D, degree of 4 points we will check. Degree is nothing but number of edges connected to that point. It is 2, 2, B is also 2, D is 2, and for C it is 2. So all the degrees, if they are having same degree, then it is called as regular graph. Then moving on with the 14th question, Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. What is Cramer's rule? We have already done in the last paper, so I'll just brief out. So here we have A is matrix which is given. So matrix A will be 3, 2, no number means 1. So it will be 3, 2, 1. Then no number means 1, 1, 2, minus 3, then 1, 5, and minus 4. Then B is the solutions what they've given, 3, minus 1, and 2. So to find the Cramer's rule, what we should find? First we should find the determinant of A. First step is to find the determinant of A. That will be 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 1 minus 3 minus 4. So determinant of A will be, you will be taking first term, that will be plus 3 will be 2, 5 minus 3 minus 4. Then taking second element, that row and that column you should leave, that will be minus 1 into 2, 5, 1 minus 4. Then leaving the third one, third row and third column, we get plus 1 into 2 to 1 minus 3. So here find the determinant of these values, that will be plus 3 cross multiplication, that will be 4 2s are 8 minus 8, minus will be common, minus into minus become plus, 3 5s are 15. So minus 1 into 2 4s are minus 8, minus of 5 1s are 5. 5 ones are 5. Then plus 1 into 2 threes are 6 minus 6 minus of 1 twos are 2. Certainly plus 3. 15 minus 8 is 7 plus 7 minus 1. 8 minus 5 minus 5 minus 8 minus 13 plus 1 minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. So it will be plus 21 minus into minus plus 13 minus 8. So it will be 20, 30, 34 minus 8 is nothing but 26. This is your delta, value of delta. So next we'll be finding the value for delta x. What is mean by delta x? Delta x is nothing but first column is called for x, second column will be for y, third column will be for z. First column is x, second column is y, and third column is z. So what we should do if it is delta x means we should replace this b value in place of x. That will be 3 minus 1 2. Then the remaining one will be as it is 1 2 minus 3 1 5 minus 4. So now we need to solve this. Only we are going to replace the value of x, that is first column with the value which is given here. That will be first column we have to replace, that is 3 minus 1 and 2. The remaining two columns will be same as it is. So here again repeat the same step, plus minus plus, it will be plus 3 first row and first column we will neglect. So it will be 2 5 minus 3 minus 4, then minus 1 second row and second row and second column and first row, neglecting it we get minus 1 5 2 and minus 4. Then if you take the third row and third row uh, third column and first row we get plus 1 into minus 1 2 2 minus 3. So yeah, it will be plus 3 if you cross multiply. 4 2s are 8 minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15. Then minus 1 into minus plus 1 4s are 4 minus of 5 2s are 10. Then plus 1 into minus plus 1 3s are 3 minus of 2 2s are 4. So we get plus 3 into 7 plus 7. Then minus 1 into minus 6. 4 minus 10 is minus 6 plus 1 into minus 1. So yeah, if you simplify this we get plus, it is plus 21 plus 6 ones are 6 minus 1. So it will be 27 minus 1 is 26. So delta x is 26. Now we need to find it for delta y and delta z. So yeah, delta y will be, we should replace the value of second column. First column will be as it is 3 2 1. Second column will replace with the value what we have here, that will be 3 minus 1 2. Then the last column will be as it is 1 5 and minus 4. Again find the determinant of this, plus minus and plus. So it will be what, plus 3 first row and that column if you leave, it is minus 1 5 2 and minus 4. Then if you take next one, minus 3 means it is minus 3 is 2 5 1 and minus 4. Then the last one, if you take the last one, it is plus 1 into, that is 2 minus 1 1 and 2. So if you simplify this you get plus 3 into minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4 minus 5 twos are 10 minus 3 into 4 twos are 8 minus 8 minus of 5 ones are 5. then plus 1 into 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So yeah, we get plus 3 into minus 6, 4 minus 10 is minus 6, minus 3 into minus 13 plus 1 into 5. So it is 6 threes are 18, minus 18, minus into minus plus, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, plus 5. So it will be minus 18, 39, 44. 44 minus 18 is 30, 26. Delta z will be, we need to change the value of the third place, that is 3 2 1 1 2 minus 3, and the third place z will be, third column will be 3 1 and 2. So now finding the determinant of this will be plus 3 into, if you take plus 3, leaving that row and column, we get 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 2, then minus 1, if you take minus 1, we get minus 1. So yeah, minus 1 will be 2 minus 1 1 and 2, then plus 3. For plus 3 it is that row and that column you should leave, and then it is 2 2 1 and minus 3. So if you simplify this, we get plus 3 into 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus 4, then minus 1 of 2 twos are 4, minus into minus plus, 1 ones are 1, plus 3 into 2 threes are 6, minus 2 ones are 2. So it will be minus 6 and minus 2. So here it is 4, 3 into 1 is 3, not so plus 3 into plus 1, minus 1 into plus 5, plus 3 into minus 8. Certainly 3 minus 5 minus 24. So it is 3 minus 29 is nothing but minus 26. Therefore, the solution will be uh, x will be delta by delta x by delta, that will be 26 divided by 26, that will be 1. Then y will be delta y divided by delta, that will be again 26 divided by 26, it is also 1. Then z will be delta z divided by delta, that is minus 26 divided by 26, that will be 1. So now so x value is 1, y value is 1, and z value is minus 1. So yeah, the last question is, in a survey of 260 students, 260 college students, means n of u will be 260. The following data obtained, 64 has taken mathematics, so n of m will be 64. Let n of m denotes, you can write m denotes the students taken mathematics. We can write that one. Let m denotes student taken mathematics. Then c denotes student taken computer science. Then electronics, e denotes students taken electronics. taken electronics electronics So now n of m will be 64, then 94 are computer science students, so it is n of c will be 94, then if 58 is electronics, n of e will be 58, then 28 students take maths, both maths and computer, So n of m intersection c, m intersection c will be 28. Then 26 takes both maths and electronics. So maths and electronic, and with intersection electronics e will be 26. Then 22 takes both computer and electronics. So computer and electronics is 22. Then 14 takes all the three subjects, that is n of m intersection c intersection e will be 14. So now they are asking you to find the first one is how number of students, number of students taken none of the three. So to find this, we need to find n of m union c union e dash will be n of u minus n of m union c union e. So we don't know the answer for this. So we call this as equation 1. We'll solve for n of m union c union e. That will be n of m plus n of c plus n of e minus n of m intersection c minus n of m c intersection e minus n of e intersection m plus n of m intersection c intersection e. So substituting the values here, we get it is 64 plus 94 plus 58 minus 28 minus 26 minus 22 plus 14. If you add this 4, we get 230 minus, if you add this 3, we get 76. Therefore it is 154. So n of m union c union e will be 154. Now substitute this value 154 in equation 1. We get n m union c union e whole dash equals n of u is what we have got, 260. 260 minus the value what we got is 154. So if you subtract this both, we get the answer as 106. So the number of students taken none of these is 106 students. So next question they've asked is how many of them take only computers. So yeah, second question, to solve second one, number of students taken only computer only computer science will be, formula will be n of c dash will be n of c minus n of c intersection m plus n of c intersection e minus n of m intersection c intersection e. So their values are n of c is 94 minus n of c intersection m is 28 plus 22 minus 14. So it will be 94 minus 36. So 94 minus 36 will be 58. So number of students take only computer science are 58. So it is solved.